Are you a developer searching for the perfect code editor to elevate your productivity? Whether you're coding in Python, JavaScript, or working on a large-scale project, the right editor can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 code editors that cater to a variety of programming needs. Let's dive in. First up, we have Visual Studio Code, or VS Code. Available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, this editor has quickly become the go-to for developers across the globe. Its extensive plugin support, integrated terminal, and Git integration make it incredibly versatile. Whether you're working on a web application or a Python script, VS Code's IntelliSense provides smart code completion, making your workflow smoother. Plus, with Live Share, you can collaborate in real time with teammates, no matter where they are. VS Code is perfect for developers who want a highly customizable, yet lightweight editor that supports a wide range of programming languages. Next on the list is Sublime Text. Known for its speed and simplicity, Sublime Text is a lightweight editor that's available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It's famous for its multiple selection feature, allowing you to edit multiple lines of code simultaneously. Split editing lets you view and edit files side by side, increasing efficiency, especially on larger monitors. If you need a fast, no-frills editor that gets the job done, Sublime Text is a solid choice. Developed by GitHub, Atom is another powerful editor that's fully customizable. It's cross-platform, running on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and comes with built-in Git and GitHub integration. Atom's smart auto-completion and the ability to collaborate with others using Teletype make it a favorite among open-source developers. Atom is a great choice for developers who love to tinker and customize their tools, or those who are deeply embedded in the GitHub ecosystem. For Java developers, IntelliJ IDEA by JetBrains is often considered the gold standard. It's available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and offers advanced refactoring tools, intelligent code completion, and integrated build tools. The extensive plugin ecosystem further enhances its capabilities, making it ideal for JVM-based languages like Java, Kotlin, and Scala. If your work revolves around Java or other JVM languages, IntelliJ IDEA will supercharge your development process. Another JetBrains product, PyCharm, is a must-have for Python developers. Available on all major platforms, PyCharm provides robust support for Python, including Django and scientific libraries. Its integrated debugging and testing tools, along with code analysis and refactoring features, make Python development a breeze. PyCharm is the go-to editor for Python enthusiasts, especially those working in data science or web development. Brackets, created by Adobe, is a lightweight editor specifically designed for web developers. It's available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and offers a live preview feature that lets you see your changes in real time in the browser. With support for preprocessors and JavaScript refactoring, Brackets makes front-end development more efficient. For those who live and breathe HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, Brackets is an excellent open-source choice. Notepad+ is a Windows-only editor that's beloved for its simplicity and speed. Despite being lightweight, it supports multiple programming languages, syntax highlighting, and macros. It's also highly extensible with a vast array of plugins available to enhance its functionality. If you're on Windows and need a straightforward editor that doesn't sacrifice performance, Notepad+ is a top pick. Vim is a text editor that commands respect for its power and efficiency, though it comes with a steep learning curve. Available on virtually every platform, including Unix, Linux, Windows, and Mac OS, Vim is highly configurable and supports a vast range of plugins. Experienced users appreciate its keyboard-centric navigation and editing. For power users who value speed and efficiency, Vim is unparalleled, but be prepared to invest time in mastering it. Emacs, another editor with a dedicated following, is known for its flexibility. Available on Unix, Linux, Windows, and Mac OS, Emacs can be customized extensively using Emacs Lisp. It's more than just an editor. It can function as a debugger, email client, and even a file manager. If you're looking for an editor that can be tailored to your every need, Emacs might be the one for you. Last but not least, we have Xcode, the definitive choice for iOS and macOS development. Available exclusively on macOS, Xcode integrates seamlessly with Apple's developer ecosystem. Its interface builder allows you to design user interfaces visually, while powerful debugging and performance tools help you create high-quality apps. For iOS and macOS developers, Xcode is not just an option, it's a necessity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more developer tips and tools. Thanks for watching. Check out these other videos to enhance your coding skills and join our community by subscribing. Until next time, happy coding.